Today, I will show you the installation method of beam shelves. First, prepare the installation tool. It is usually needed: socket, wrench. If many are installed, it is recommended to use an electric wrench. Fixation may also require the installation of expansion bolts with an electric drilling rig. Open the package after checking that there are no problems with the goods. Please sort and place all the accessories and screws. Column, cross beam, short support, long support, screw, gasket, safety pin, expansion bolt. First, install the column pieces. Take out the two columns and place them parallel. Start installing the short support and long support. One end of the long support and one end of the short support should be aligned with the same hole position. Screw in the screws. Do not tighten the nut for the time being. Convenient for subsequent installation or adjustment. The other end of the cross brace is directly installed in the same hole position as the column. Black gaskets need to be placed. Avoid open and loose areas. Fix the other end of the diagonal brace and the second diagonal brace at the appropriate hole position with screws. Install the remaining long support in sequence according to this method. The last long support and the other short support are positioned at the same hole and installed. A black gasket needs to be placed at the other end of the horizontal support as well. Thus, one column piece was installed and formed. Install the second column piece in the same way. Now we are going to install the cross beam. First, stand up the two column plates. Directly attach a cross beam to the column section. It is essential to ensure that the heights at both ends of the cross beam are consistent. Another cross beam is installed at the same height. Install the remaining beams in sequence. After ensuring that the cross beam is installed correctly. For safety reasons, insert the safety pin. For those with a base, expansion bolts can be drilled and installed according to one's own needs. Make sure it is installed properly. The screws can be tightened one by one with a wrench. If you encounter any installation obstacles, welcome to contact our after-sales customer service.